Being a mom is hard, especially if you're breastfeeding your baby. Unless you find a way of storing the milk, you'll have to pump every day. Let's explore your options. Number 1. The original Uberchill Retro Style Mini Fridge. Compact 4-liter mini personal fridge holds up to 6 12-ounce cans or 4 500-milliliter bottles. Plugs into 12V car cigarette lighter or home outlet, built-in AC/DC transformer, both cords included. High-quality solid-state thermoelectric cooling system keeps drinks at optimal drinking temperature. Dorm personal mini fridge or bedroom compact personal fridge, office or college dorm. Number 2. Costway Mini Fridge Electric Cooler and Warmer. The thermoelectric system in the Costway cooler and warmer allows for easy switching from beverage cooler to food warmer. Ideal for use on camping and road trips, picnicking, or for people who spend time in their vehicles. Not to mention it holds up to 12-ounce cans or whatever else you want to bring on your next road trip. Take the cooler/warmer on the go and transition from cooling to heating with the flip of a switch. Number 3. Gourmia Thermoelectric Mini Fridge. This lightweight 6-can mini cooler and warmer features a removable shelf, self-locking latch, and carry handle, all designed for easy portability. Easily choose to chill up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature, or warm up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit with the flip of a switch. Well-insulated interior holds temperature even after unplugged. Number 4. Appliance Mini Fridge. High-quality solid-state thermoelectric cooler fridge that functions as a mini warmer and cooler that keeps food and drinks at optimal drinking temperature. Cooling capacity: 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 45 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature. Warming capacity: 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Appliance Mini Fridge Desktop Fridge 12-can capacity 9 liters, good for bedroom, dorm room or office. Number 5. Costway Mini Freezer. This premium refrigerator comes with a crisper drawer, which is designed for your fruit and vegetables to keep them fresh. It can also better plan food in the refrigerator. Our refrigerator has large 2.2 cubic feet fresh food capacity, gives you the space to keep foods organized, and 1 cubic foot freezer capacity give you room to store frozen foods. And the 2 refrigerator exterior doors allows you to access the freezer or the refrigeration compartment. The refrigerator glass shelf can be removed or adjusted if you want to organize taller things. And this refrigerator also offers convenience for cleaning.